Assalamu alaikum student mathematics 4024. Welcome to Maths Guru. Student, this is a question on coordinate geometry and the primary target is we have to find the unknown coordinates using the slope formula that is also called the 2 point formula. The formula is m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Small m is basically the representation of slope or the gradient. This is a question from exercise 6a. The book is D3 and let's just read out the question first. The question says the coordinates of A and B are 3k, comma 8 and k minus 3. Since this is my first point, so I will label this point as x1 and y1. The first value belongs to x, so this is x1. The second value belongs to y, so this is y1. Since this is my second point, so this will become x2 and y2. Given that the gradient of the line segment AB is 3, the gradient is given as 3. When these 2 points are joined together, they are forming a line, and the gradient of that line is 3. We have to find the value of k. So, since we have been given the two coordinates and the gradient, so we will use this 2 point formula. So, we just have to use this formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and we know all the values. We just have to plug in the values and find the value of k. So let's just begin the solution. I'm not writing the formula again. The formula is written over here. I'm just inserting the values. I will write 3 in place of m equals to what is the value of y2? The value of y2 is minus 3. So I will write minus 3 first. And then comes the sign of the formula, that is the negative sign. And now what is the value of y1? The y1 value is 8. So I will write 8 at the top. Now I have to fill the denominator. In the denominator we have x2 minus x1, the value of x2. The value of x2 is k, so I will write k, and then comes the negative sign of the formula. And what is the value of x1? The value of x1 is 3k, so I will write 3k. Minus 3 and minus 8 will give me minus 11. 3 will be as it is over here, equals to minus 3 and minus 8 will give me minus 11. And when I will subtract k and minus 3, k means 1k, k means 1k, 1k minus 3k. So this will give me minus 2k because 1k is a smaller number, 3k is a greater number. So I can see a negative sign in the numerator and denominator as well. So I will just cut it down like this. It will be cancelled out. This 2k is being divided on this side. It will go on the other side and get multiplied with 3. So 3 multiplied by 2k will give me 6k. And this will be equals to 11. Since I have to find the value of k, I need to shift this k on the other side. I need to shift this 6 on the other side, sorry. So this will be 11 upon 6, and since this is an improper fraction, so I will just divide it. You can write the answer in decimal or you can also write the answer in mixed number. So my final answer will be one whole number 5 upon 6. Let me show you the working how I get this answer. 11 upon 6 means I have to put 11 inside and 6 outside, and I know that 6 times 1 is 6, so 6 times 1 is 6. When I will subtract 11 and 6, I will get 5. And now I have to write this in the form of mixed number. So what I will do, I will just make an arrow like this. I will start with 1, then I will write 5, and then I will write 6 at the denominator. So one whole number, 5 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. So this is the value of k, and this is my final answer.